What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at the long-term review of the Unihertz Titan Pocket. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So the Titan Pocket has been up for and available for quite some time now, and people that have it, or people that have backed the initial Kickstarter, have had some time to get to know this very unusual device. And after using the Titan Pocket for some time, I guess the long and the short of it is that this is the keyboard that you need. In other words, it's probably best to think of the Titan Pocket as a keyboard as opposed to a smartphone, as that's the main draw and the main usage of this phone. Sure, it has Android and it runs pretty much every modern smartphone app, and its specs lets you do things with it that other smartphones can do. But this certainly does not look or feel like any smartphone on the market. It's a lot smaller, the screen is a lot smaller, and it's designed mostly to tailor to the keyboard. So if you're looking to have some kind of device that you can use to reliably type things out in a smartphone form factor, then the Titan Pocket is exactly that for you. Things like word processing, email, text messages are all very well executed on the Titan Pocket. And the great thing about running a modern version of Android is that the Titan Pocket will be able to run those apps, and those apps will run smoothly with the physical. If you have to type out Word documents or longer emails on your smartphone, the Titan Pocket's keyboard is more than adequate in terms of doing so. I find myself actually being much more productive because I have such a convenient physical keyboard within the reach of my pocket. And if you have to type out medium-sized to small emails or quick text messages, this is the ideal smartphone for you. It is aimed at productivity, so if you have applications needed for a smartphone that are outside of that require a more modern smartphone form factor, then the Titan Pocket might not be for you. But if typing is your main draw, then this is a phone that executes well on typing. I found myself being able to type out emails, or more willing to type out emails, much more quickly on the Titan Pocket as opposed to several other smartphones with virtual keyboards. Albeit, virtual keyboards have come a long way over the years, and the accuracy of typing emails or word processing on virtual keyboards is certainly a lot better than it was a few years ago. But there's simply nothing to replicate the tactile feedback that you get from typing on something like the Titan Pocket's keyboard. And considering that BlackBerry is completely out of the game in terms of its smartphone business, then the Unihertz Titan Pocket is the ideal phone for you if you're looking to type on it. It has a very strange form factor, and typing on one or two hands is certainly possible and very feasible on this device. But other things like the built-in keyboard sensor make having the screen real estate, however limited that is, a lot easier. This is not a phone for media consumption or other modern smartphone uses. The key function of this phone is to work with the physical keyboard, and the built-in fingerprint reader and other features such as quick shortcuts make it really easy to tailor your experience to maximize the output from the keyboard. So there you have it. It combines modern Android features with old school BlackBerry functionality, and there's simply nothing on the market like it available today. So if you're looking to type on your smartphone, look no further than the Unihertz Titan Pocket. So what do you think? Are there other usages for the Titan Pocket aside from typing? Leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.